Hi, I'd like you to consider the following idea. Earlier on today, I was eating a pear. I'd cut the pear in half, and sure enough, in the middle of the pear were 2 or 3 tiny little seeds. Now these, of course, are pear seeds, and we know that if they're planted into fertile soil and tenderly looked after, there's every good chance that one of those seeds would grow into a tree. The tree would grow, first of all, a little bud, a little tender little shoot. Gradually it would fill out and become an enormous pear tree. And on it would be lots of fruit, lots of pears, with their seeds inside as well. Now the point I make is this. Is all of that contained within that tiny little seed that you can hardly see? Or is it something else again? Does the seed, when planted in fertile soil, draw to it in some way a field and then grow materially into that field? Now this isn't an idea new to me. It's been considered by others. But to me it seems to make a lot of sense. Rather than having all of that knowledge, that how to grow in that tiny little seed, the seed actually draws to itself something of like kind, something which already exists beyond our ken. Take, for example, the ordinary bar magnet. Every school kid has just about tried this one. You get the bar magnet, you put it under a piece of paper, you sprinkle iron filings on top, and before you know it, they formed into a magnetic flux, a pattern around the bar magnet. Does the seed itself call unto itself a pattern? And that pattern manifests. And then as that pattern manifests, then it calls unto itself a bigger one and a bigger one until the whole tree is developed. The tree, the pear tree, will look like a pear tree. It will be shaped differently from others for a number of reasons. For example, the way the sun shines upon it, the way the wind blows, every pear tree would be different, but would still be a pear tree. Now the point I'm making is all of this information, as I expect scientists believe, contained within that little seed, or, as I said, does the seed act a bit like a bar magnet, form a flux of some sort around itself and draw unto itself an ever-increasing pattern? Just a thought. They call it morphic fields. Everything apparently has a morphic field around itself, including human beings. You've heard of the human aura, but that, of course, is another subject altogether. What do you think about seeds and the growing of a plant? Very mysterious. Do we really understand how the growth of plant works?